everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing iCloud versus Samsung Cloud. So, which cloud storage is better for you? So, let's get right into it. iCloud is deeply integrated with Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, Macs effortlessly. It offers file storage, automatic backups, and seamlessly integration with Apple apps. It offers a storage and pricing around 5 GB for free with paid plans starting at $0.99 per month for 50 GB. It works best within the Apple ecosystem, though it has a limited web version for Windows users. On the other hand, if you ask me about Samsung Cloud is basically shifted away from full file storage and now primarily backs up device settings and data. Mainly it provides backup and restore features for Samsung devices, but it is no longer supports file storage. If we talk about pricing and storage, Samsung Cloud provides free backup storage but doesn't offer additional paid plans for extra storage. And the compatibility accessibility is only for Samsung devices, meaning it is not as flexible as you think it is. So, if you need a full cloud storage backup across all your devices, especially your Apple devices, go for iCloud. But if you need only basic device backups for Samsung phone, go for Samsung Cloud. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.